Happy Thursday, scholars. Welcome to your routines video for today. Just a little bit of a heads up, I made this announcement in the assignment. Today we're not going to be taking a quiz. We're actually going to be playing a variety of fraction review games after a little bit of a review lesson from me. Just looking at how we've been doing over the past couple of days, I'm thinking we need a little bit more review and practice, and people seem to really like the game from yesterday, so I tried to find some more practice games that would be a little bit more fun than just watching me do problems. As much fun as I'm sure that is for you guys, I obviously want you to be having fun with math because that's my favorite thing to do. So let's get into our where is the point for today, but first we will go over the results from yesterday. Please pay attention to the results from yesterday video and don't skip ahead, because you'll notice we can be really using some of the things I talk about in the review video to help us get the answer correct. So this was the point on our routines questions for yesterday. So as we can tell, the immediate thing that we're noticing is that it's past 1/2. And this is what's kind of confusing to me and kind of made me go like, huh? What's going on? When we look at the people who responded yesterday, a majority of friends actually said the answer was 1/4. So almost 46% of us, that's a little under half of scholars, said that this point was 1/4 of the distance between 0 and 1. And the reason that I'm kind of like, huh? Is because if you watched the whole routines video yesterday, we did talk about how 1/4 is right here. We know that 1/4 is less than 1/2, and obviously this point right here is past 1/2. So a little bit tricked, especially like in the video when we went over how I shouldn't be seeing answers that are less than 1/2. Remember, my friends, always draw a picture or use your resources if you need help. Like, let's think about why 1/4 was kind of a silly answer. If I take my number line here and I split it into 4 equal parts, right? Because a lot of us said it needed to be split into 4 equal parts. 1/4 is one of 4 equal parts in a whole. So 1/4 would be this distance right here. It is 1/4 of the total distance between 0 and 1. Now, if I'm looking at the point that we had for yesterday, and I'm looking here, I see that actually it is not only just bigger than 1/4, but I can count how many fourths bigger. I see that this is 1/4, this is another fourth, 2/4, 3/4. So the correct answer was 3/4. And I want to give a shout out to each person who got this correct, because you were showing me that we're watching the video and we're taking our time. So these friends will get bonuses, but also I just want to shout them out. So Alexander Lechuga, Angel Avendano, Charles, Daniela, Donna, Ebony, India, Isra, Jacqueline, Owen, Natalia, Levi, Keelan, Kalel, Juan T, super proud of you, my dude, Juan Cisneros, Jose, and Jeremiah. Super excited that you guys got this question correct. You guys rocked and rolled and knew that this was 3/4. So proud of you. If we were in live class, I would totally have you share how you did it. But just as a reminder, we know that the answer cannot be one piece, because if we look and we split it into the amount of pieces we need, so in this case, if you were saying 1/4, you split your number line into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. When you're saying 1/4, you are saying you've traveled 1 equal piece. Did we travel 1 equal piece to get to this dot? Saying no way. Yeah, no, my friends. We traveled 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. And we also know that each of these pieces is called a fourth. So instead of saying 1 piece, I can say 1/4, 2/4, which we know is equivalent to 1/2, and 3/4. All right, so let's apply these learnings and let's apply this sort of thinking through the different parts of a fraction to today's routine question. All right, friends, so now that we went over the one from Wednesday, let's see what I have up my sleeve for you today. What fraction is labeled by this point? All right, keep in mind, how many spaces is it broken up into? Do your counting. What fraction is labeled by the point? Happy solving.